Hi, my name is Berenice, and this little guy here is Oreo. Today we're gonna apply here on Oreo some supplement vitamins, which is the Amigo Gatos, that will help him with prevent any infections or to help him with his immune system. As well, we're gonna apply here, which is the only pet spot on that will help prevention of ticks and fleas. And remember, you can find all of these BioPet products at Reimers Feed Mill all across Belize. And remember to visit our website at www.biopetbelize.com and follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.